Vectors was number 16. It was saying in the parallelogram OSBC, OS that, OS is that, M lies on AB. So this is my parallelogram. I'm going to do as I put it out. So they're telling me that this is a parallelogram O, A, B, and then C. They're telling me that OA is A, so the whole of this one is going to be A. It's a vector. They are telling me that C, OC is C. Okay, so that's the first case. Then they're telling me M lies on AB. M lies on AB, so that what? Is that my AM over MB is equaling 3 over 1. If I divide this side, so start now from here, my AM to MB will be 3 to 1. So meaning is that AM takes 3, the whole line is AB. So this is going to be the case. So this is my now M. This one is 3, AM is 3, then MB is a 1. Vectors are very easy if you handle them properly. Now they're also telling us that lines OB and SC intersect at P. Lines OB, so this is my OB. I join my OB there. And then SC is there also. They're telling me that these two lines intersect at P. So this is my point P. Such that OP equals PB. So meaning that this one is ratio 1, and this one will also take ratio 1. And AP will also be ratio 1, and P will also be ratio 1 because they are equal. So in simple terms, P is the midpoint of these two diagonals. Okay, they're telling that X is the midpoint of CB. So CB is here, X is the midpoint. So X is the midpoint. So I mean this one is going to be having ratio 1, and also this one is going to be having ratio 1. Then they are telling that OB is produced to Y. OB produced means we extend it this side. OB is produced to Y. So that is my Y. Such that OB to BY equals that. Expressed in terms of A and C the vectors OP. So that is the simple sketch that we have there. So now, my part A, they want me to get OP. And look at our diagram, my OP is here. So OP, I'll move OC plus CP. So OC plus CP. You show that these are vectors. By the way, a full topic about vector diagrams and so on is also in the playlist. You can visit the playlists and then you see them there. Now instead we have our OC, but we don't have our CP. But start CP is on the line, on the vector CA. So you can come here and say, but my CA is going to be what? My CA is going to be CO plus. CA is going to be CO plus OA. Now my CO is that we are changing direction. So this was OC, but now we are moving CO. Whenever we change direction, we attach a negative. So negative of the original vector C plus OA, which is the same direction, which is A. And this one becomes A minus C. So this is our, so start this one is going to be our OC, which is C, plus CP. CP, you see that CP is, the whole line is 1 plus 1, which is 2, so it's a half of CP. I mean, it's a half of the big line, which is CA, which would be C plus a half. Our CA is A minus C. The LCM there is going to be 2. This is over 1, so this one becomes 2C plus A minus C. And this one now becomes a half. If you factorize out that a half, 2C minus that, we get C plus A. So that is our OP. So next they wanted me to get XM. XM. I think you can see XM is here. So now my part B, they want me to get XM. XM will be XB xb plus bm. Now, xb is that cb and OC are parallel. So that this one is also going to be, cb is also vector A. But xb is a half of cb. xb is going to be a half of cb plus bm. You see bm, we are changing the negative. So it's going to be minus a half, because we are changing the, it's going to be, sorry, not the minus a half. It's going to be 1 over, the total ratio is going to be 4. It's going to be 1 over 4 of AB. But because I'm writing a negative, because this is AB, but we are using BA. You see in that direction. So that's why here I'm going to say of AB. So in simple terms, our CB, this is that not, but not that not, that our CB is equaling to OA, because these two, a parallelogram has these two parallel. And then our OC is equaling to AB. So this will be now a half, CB is A, then minus a quarter, AB. Our AB is the same as that one, which is also C. Then getting the LCM, which is 4, this will be 2A minus C, which we can abbreviate as a quarter into 2A minus C. But even if you leave it here, you will get all your marks. So that's our XM. Then we come to BY, our BY. So that our BY, where is our BY? They told us that OB to BY is that. So meaning I can also write that statement there, and I say now my OB to BY is 7 to 3. So meaning this would be OB over BY equals 7 over 3. So it's that my BY will be 3 over 7 of OB. But where is our OB? You see my OB is here. So now I can say, but my OB is going to be, OC plus CB. OC plus CB. My OC is C, then plus my CB, we say this CB is the same as A, which is A there. So now if I come here, now start my BY will be equaling to 3 over 7 OB, which we have obtained, so it will be 3 over 7 into my OB, which is C plus A. And so it was very easy, direct. There was no much thinking there. So that's how we had to do vectors number. If you want to learn more about vectors, please visit the playlists and then scroll downwards. You will see a full topic about these vector diagrams and then the vector as a whole. That's it, members. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you well.